Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss Unit 4 Worksheet 6, which is at page number 58 of our book. In this worksheet we have topic multiplication of fractional numbers. How to multiply two fractional numbers. Let's see with an example. Multiply 3 and 1 by 4. You must say, ma'am, 3 is not a fraction, but 3 by 1 is a fraction. So in worksheet 6 we will multiply a whole number with a fraction, and in worksheet 7 we will multiply two fractions. So how to multiply a whole and a fraction? 3 multiply 1 by 4 means, as we know, multiplication is repeated addition, so it means that 1 by 4 is added 3 times. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now, as we all know how to add two fractions, the LCM of 4 is 4. 4 divides 4, it's 1. 1 ones are 1. In the same way, these two numbers will also be 1. Numerator will be added. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it's 3 by 4. So, when 3 is multiplied by 1 by 4, the answer is 3 by 4. One more method is here. Suppose I have a rectangular box divided into 4 parts. If one of the part is shaded, then what is the fraction of shaded part? 1 by 4. 2 parts are shaded, then what is the fraction of shaded part? 2 times 1 by 4 means 2 by 4. And if 3 of the parts are shaded, then it's 3 times 1 by 4 means 3 by 4. It means either of this method, 3 times 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. With this method also, 3 times 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So we conclude to a quick method with these two. What is this? 3 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4 means 3 is multiplied by the numerator 1 and 4 denominator will remain as it is. So we will apply this quick method now in our worksheet 6, page number 58, question number 1, multiply. Let's discuss B part. 5 by 8 multiply 9. As we did in this example, that this numerator is multiplied by this whole. So 5 nines are 45. Okay, by 8. We can do one more thing. There is nothing under 8, so we can write 1. Then numerator is multiplied by the numerator. 5 nines are 45. Denominator is multiplied by the denominator. It's 8. And this is our answer. But this is in an improper fraction. Convert into mixed number. This is 5 by 8. For example, let's see one more part. C part. 4 1 by 2 multiply 4. A mixed number can be converted into improper. Then there is nothing under 4, so we can write 1. Numerator is multiplied by numerator. 9 4s are 36. Denominator is multiplied by denominator. 2 1s are 2. Here also numerator is bigger, so we will divide it. When 36 divides by 2, then the answer is 18. Remainder is 0, so we will not write it in form of mixed number. The answer is completely 18. Let's see its D parts. It's also a mixed number. When we convert it into mixed fraction, it's 28 by 3 into 27. There's nothing under 27, so write 1. But if we apply this method, that numerator is multiplied by the numerator, then 28 is multiplied by 27, which are big numbers, and the multiplication cannot be done orally. So this will increase our calculation. So now I am introducing one more method, a shortcut to solve the questions of multiplication. What are these? That the denominators can be divided by the numerators. Here this is 1, so we will not think about this. That this 3, which of the numerator can be divided by 3? This 27 na? So division means here a new word is being used, cancellation. We cancel both the numbers at the same table, which is 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So now 28 will be multiplied by 9 and this one will be multiplied by 1. 28 nines are, we have 252. 1 ones are 1. If a number has nothing in the denominator, then we write as 1. But if a number has 1 in the denominator, then we can leave that denominator and the answer is 252. Okay, let's see in another part, which is the F part of the question. 6 multiply 4 by 15. There is nothing under 6, so we can write 1. 6 4s are 24 by 15. To convert into mixed fraction, it will be 1 9 by 15. Okay, and 9 and 15 both are not in lowest term. They have a common factor 3. So when 9 is divided by 3, the answer will be 3, and 15 will be divided by 3, the answer will be 5. So the final answer will be 1 3 by 5. Here that shortcut can also be applied. According to that, this denominator 15 could be cancelled with 6 and 4. But at the table of 15, neither of the numbers can come, or at the table of 6, 15 cannot be divided. So we can think another number which is a common factor of 6 and 15, means by which table 6 and 15 both can be cancelled. That number is 3, which can be cancelled as 3 2s are 3, 5s are 2 4s are 8, 5 1s are 5. Improper is converted to mixed, so the answer is 1 3 by 5, the same answer as with this method. Okay, so you can apply any of the method, either this or this. Let's do another part. Mixed number J part is converted to improper, and this 32 has nothing under it, so we will write 1. Now at the table of 8, directly it can be cancelled, and 8 4s are 32. Directly at the table of 8 it is being cancelled. 8 1s are 8 4s are. So now in the next step, this numerator 29 will be multiplied by this 4, which is 116 by 1 1s are 1. So we can leave the denominator 1. So the answer to the question is 116. Don't forget to put the sign of equals to before each step. Okay, let's see one more part. L. 50 multiply 17 by 15. There is nothing under 50, so write 1. Now 17 is multiplied by 50. It will be a big calculation, so try to cancel something. 15, at the table of 15, 50 cannot be cancelled. So think of another number. Think. Which is the common factor of 15 and 50? It's 5. 5 3s are 5, 10s are. So now 10 multiplied by 17 is 170. 1 3s are 3. It's an improper number. So to convert into mixed, either you can divide it orally, or as this is a big number, so you can find it by division. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. 2 will left, so this 56 will be the whole number. This 2 will be the remainder, and this 3 will be the denominator. This is the answer. So now remaining part of worksheet 6 can you do on your own, and in the next worksheet we will discuss multiplication of fractional number by another fractional number in next lecture. Thank you.